Hello everyone, welcome back to Cars with JJ. So today we are reviewing this Mitsubishi Lancer. So this is not any Mitsubishi Lancer, this is my Mitsubishi Lancer, and this is not an Evo. Unfortunately, this is the normal Lancer, but this right here is the diesel version. So I bought this car like a week ago, and I bought it for very cheap, so I would declare this as officially the cheapest Mitsubishi Lancer in the UK. So to start with, this is a 2-liter diesel variant, and it's a 5-door one and a sedan, not a hatchback. And that's how the interior looks like. It is a 6-speed manual. This car is a very good looker. I'll quickly open the engine and show you how it looks like. So this right here is the Mitsubishi 2.0 diesel engine. It has a turbo as well. So that's how the engine looks like. The car is in perfectly working condition, but it has its own flaws. If you ask me how much I bought the car for, so I bought the car for £800. That's unbelievable for a car like this, especially the Lancer sedan. The hatchbacks are cheaper, but the sedans are quite expensive. They start from £2,000. I bought this for 800 quid because of this damage right here. Yep, the passenger door of the Lancer is damaged. However, it has a body kit, it has a spoiler, and it also does have an aftermarket exhaust. And I'll quickly open the boot for you. So it is a big compartment. Also comes with a spare tire. Yep, and all the accessories included with it. So the boot is a big boot and can fit a lot of luggage. The car personally looks very nice to me, and especially in the red color, it looks like the Lancer Evo. Another interesting aspect of the car is that all of the windows are tinted. So this is not a factory, this is not a clean film. If you can see right here, the whole mirror is black. All of the mirrors are black except obviously the windshield. Overall, I would say the car looks very nice and elegant. It looks very sporty, especially with the paint work done there. Like, it does not come black like this, it should be red, and the number plate also has been moved to the other side. So that's basically it. This is a diesel. It is unfortunately not ULEZ. However, let's jump in and I'll show you how it's inside. So that's how the car looks like from the inside. It has carbon fiber treatment right here. I believe that is stock. And it also has ASC buttons and mirror controls right here. Here are some wiper controls. Here are some headlight controls. This is the small display. Yes, it has done 157k miles on the clock. And apart from that, it also has this modified blue light, which looks amazing at night. These are the vanity, and it has a 12-volt charging socket here. Here is that's an ashtray. Here are some bottle holders. Here is an armrest. So this armrest has two sections. One is a hidden compartment. That's one. And when I when I press both and lift, there is another charging socket inside. So driving the 10th evolution of the Mitsubishi Lancer, it is a really nice car. These are very nice Japanese made machines, and obviously this is a JDM car. I can tell that confidently. So Mitsubishi always had this rival with the Subaru Imprezas and the STIs. This unfortunately is not the Evo, but it is the topmost variant of the Mitsubishi Lancer. Apart from that, there is just the Lancer Evo, which is a monster, which produces around 260 horsepower from a 2-liter engine, which is absolutely crazy and mind-boggling from my perspective. So yeah, this car is all right. It drives fine and nice. It has just passed MOT, and even being so old, it drives fine and all right. You can really hear the turbo spool if you listen to it carefully, and it has decent amount of power. The cruise control works till today, and it is really nice to drive this vehicle. And this is a front wheel drive drivetrain, as we all know. And if I compare this with my friend's Mitsubishi Lancer, which we bought for 800 pounds, so we bought this for 800 pounds. We bought my friend's Mitsubishi Lancer petrol, which is a 1.5 and ULEZ. We bought that for 950 pounds, which is very cheap, but that car did not have anything wrong with it. This has the passenger window broken, and also this car also has the ABS light on. I suppose it is a ABS sensor issue, because these diesel models had this issue a lot. And yeah, once the rev catches up, it can really go. And the steering wheel feedback is also very nice. I really like the car. It drives well and all right. It pushes really well for today's date, and it has shown a refuel indicator. Yep, so driving this car is very nice. I think it is powerful from the 1.8. We had a small drag, and this one, obviously, because diesel has a more amount of torque, and it is powerful from the petrol one. Obviously it's a 2-liter. The most and the amazing part about the Mitsubishi Lancer is the steering wheel. Oh my god, this is such a light steering wheel. Have you ever driven a BMW? Even the Smart has a very hard steering wheel. You know, it is an electronic one, I suppose. It drives fine and all right, and shifting through gears is also nice, but the petrol one, my friend's petrol Lancer, has a 5-speed manual transmission, and the reverse is behind the 6th gear. This one is like my Lexus, has a different it shifts differently, but I like the petrol one more because it is more refined. It does not make as much noise as this one. You can't even tell if that car is on or not. But Mitsubishi knows how to make a diesel engine. Mitsubishi really knows how to make a petrol engine. So this car is nice. It is alright, but needs some work done to it. However, I am ordering another door from a scrapyard, just the front door. So, and I bought this car for selling obviously. So I bought the I need to get the ABS light repaired. I think it's the sensor. I will keep you updated. I won't think it will cost me much because it's just a sensor. Apart from that, and the door is around 70 pounds, and I'm taking it off from a same car, but a scrap, a breaking one. So it didn't cost me much. So right now, I bought the car for 800. I bought the door for 70 pounds. So I am 870 into this car right now at this moment and time. I will be investing a bit more on this. I'll have the paint repaired, and I plan to sell it around 2k, 2000 ish, because this really looks similar to the Lancer Evo, the last of the Lancers. So this is a rare car. Like, the hatchbacks were quite the hatchbacks are they were sold a lot. I think I have covered most of the car. The car is super nice, and thank you for watching Cars with JJ. Have a nice day. See you next time.